Hey everyone, Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, sets a new all-time high. We reached $76,730 after the election here. The Trump election win landslide was a huge boon to cryptos. And, it makes a lot of sense. It still, I feel, would have gone up, even if it had gone the other way, but not to this extent because Trump is very crypto friendly. And we're going to go over what some of the Republicans and what some of the plans are for Bitcoin and crypto and why it should continue pushing things up. And now that Bitcoin is set its all-time high, where is it going to? What'll be the new all-time high? How long will this rally last before ups and downs? Because there's always ups and downs in crypto, as you guys know. And what's going on with the altcoins? Why are they so slow? When are they going to start to creep up? All right, we're going to unpack all that here in the next few minutes. We'll do a little screen share, and we're going to go over here. Trump's crypto aid. U.S. should act quickly to incorporate a strategic Bitcoin reserve. And basically what the plan is here, and Trump has talked about this. Cynthia Lummis is on board with this. She's a big crypto senator from Wyoming. So this is something that would be very helpful to the U.S., which strengthen the dollar, strengthen our currency by having a Bitcoin reserve, a reserve of Bitcoin to protect against the fall of the dollar. And this is something I think we really, really need right now because as most of you know, the reserve currencies don't last as long as they have lasted. Like the U.S., this is one of the longest reserve currencies to last without collapsing yet. And even if it does collapse here, if you have reserves, I mean, that should strengthen it. It's not going to collapse overnight because it won't be just printing money out of thin air anymore. You'll actually be backed by something. You'll be backed with Bitcoin. You'll still have inflation. Things will still go up as far as the cost of things. But if you have Bitcoin and that's going up, it's overall going to help you big time. And it just makes a lot of sense as to why you would do this, right? And set this up. As I said, this is something that's going on here with Senator Cynthia Lummis. There will be other politicians getting involved here to help with this as well. We know RFK Jr. will be a part of Trump's cabinet somehow. And he's also big time crypto friendly, as is Tulsi Gabbard, as is Vivek Ramaswamy. All of them we've met at Bitcoin conferences over the last couple of years here. So this bodes very well for crypto. And with that being said, where is Bitcoin going to this year? So there's somebody I follow, and I want to give a little shout out here. His name is Marty Hibbs, and his website is Bullshift, SHIFT, 2020.com. And you can log in there and sign up and join his program. And he gives great analysis, not just on cryptos, but on the stock market, silver, gold, commodities, all these different things. So shout out there to Marty Hibbs. Definitely go follow him, give him a share. He has a free plan that you can just sign up for and get updates. And then there's the paid one where you're going to get the really good updates if you want to invest some money and figure out where to invest into. So let's also jump into this here. Okay. This is through Gemini, and Gemini gives, if you guys are signed up with Gemini, some of these crypto exchanges give you breakdowns on, the top movers, what the buzz is going on, what's going on with the crypto market and where things are headed. Oh, also Solana, right? It wasn't just Bitcoin that's going up. Solana's been the biggest winner of this whole cycle, and Solana should continue to go up. You had Ethereum have its own ETF, which is failing miserably. It's not a big surprise because for most people in the crypto space, they're not a huge fan of centralization. And unfortunately, Ethereum is a little more centralized. So you have more control where Bitcoin is totally decentralized, right? So people do like that aspect of it compared to Ethereum, even though Ethereum does a lot of different things out there. But Ethereum's got a lot of competitors out there, like Solana, like Avalanche, like Cardano, like Polkadot, and others that are really going to hurt its market share. So that's a big reason I think why Ethereum has not had that boost. It also doesn't help that the Vitalik is a part of the World Economic Forum, and everybody in the world is against the World Economic Forum. And crypto people are more like myself, libertarian by nature. So they're going to be against Ethereum just naturally. And, Ethereum still has never figured out the gas fees, how to make the transactions less and less. So they've done a little bit, and it's improved a little bit, but not enough. But look at Solana. Solana is also, I think it's been really driven a lot by the meme coin boom. And you're able to create meme coins on Solana's blockchain very quickly and inexpensively. And that's been a huge boon to it as well. And I don't think the memes are going away. They'll still grow. They may fade, and it may have been, the last 6 months, their peak. Who knows? We will see. I still don't think it'll be a peak in their prices, because as other altcoins go up, it's going to continue to go up and boom. So that's where I see the altcoins right now. So they're going to be a little bit straggling because the Bitcoin dominance is so high right now. But where Bitcoin is headed through the rest of this year, according to Marty Hibbs, it's going up to 90,000 by the end of the year, which is great news right now. It's at 76, and getting into April, May next year, he expects it to be somewhere between 125 and 135,000. He doesn't have numbers for where to go ultimately beyond that. That's kind of long range numbers he has through his program called the Oracle. And he's been spot on with it. Look, I've been following this guy for like 5 years, and he's been spot on with his numbers, and definitely worth a follow for all you out there that want to follow somebody good that does technical analysis. And he's done technical analysis for 37 years at least. Really started, I think, in the 80s with stocks. He's a Canadian guy, really good guy, really sharp guy, very conservative with his numbers that he puts out there. And he usually, man, they hit way more often than they don't. So definitely he's worth a follow. And I would put some credence into his numbers here with where Bitcoin's going. So I continue to get more and more Bitcoin, but as Bitcoin dominance falls, you're going to want to go shift that Bitcoin money to altcoins. You're going to want to be shifting at that point from Bitcoin to other altcoins. All right, guys, that's all I got for now. I will catch you guys in the next video.